What's up, YouTube? It's been a while, but that GT Freestyle Pro has been done, completed. I finished it. As I remember, it was just a rusted up frame I found in the backyard of my brother's house. It was mine when we were younger, but I just didn't know what I had until I got older, you know. But I completely took off the rust, took off the stickers. I had to find all the parts that were GT on eBay or OfferUp, Facebook, whatever, everywhere. But I mean, it's done. Let me show you what I did. So that is it. There's still a couple parts I need to find GT to make it, in my opinion, 100%. So these are GT handlebars. I got off of a GT bike I bought just for parts. It was a newer one, so I mean, I prefer to get this one and ride this one. But yeah, those handlebars are legit GT. They fit the bike good. This gooseneck is not a GT one, so I'm still trying to get that. Got that from Amazon for like 20 bucks. Those brakes, got them from Amazon. Made it work. Stops good. Let me see. Got me the GT triple spoke rims. Got them on eBay for a good deal. Just cause one of them was missing, like the bearings hub, but that was an easy fix. They ride smooth, no warping. Also got a legit GT Gumtree tires, 2x2, I don't know, some shit, 20x2x2. So yeah, taking the stickers was a pain in the ass. Taking them off, cause I guess it was sitting in the sun for so long. Why are you crying, little girl? Hold on. It was sitting out in the sun for too long. It roasted the stickers, old ones on it, so it was hard to take them off, but it happened. You know, I took them off. Got these GT Freestyle stickers from eBay as well. I like the way that it looks with the wheels. A little contrast, whatever. That seat post was been GT. I just put a little sticker on it, make it look cool. The seat though, it's not a GT seat. I haven't found one yet, but it's a Velo seat. Got it from Amazon as well. As you can see, the rims still have the reflectors, so that's cool. Got a GT crank, also on eBay. This is the old school one. I like it, so I went with this one. Got me the gold chain, just to throw it off, make it look cooler. And GT brakes, pretty much. And that's pretty much it. Made the gyro work, you know what I'm saying? Just in case I want to do some BMX tricks. Psych. That ain't happening. That is not happening. But anyways, brakes work good. Been taking it out for the little rides. That's why the tires are dirty, you know? They're gonna get dirty. What's the point of having a bike? You ain't gonna ride it. But that's pretty much it. Now let my doggy out. She's trying to get out and give me hugs and shit. Bella, you trying to give me a hug? Huh? Okay. Till next time. This is the hammer.